This customer thought she'd have to replace all the doors in her kitchen, but I'm pleased to say today is less about out with the old and it's more about make the old look good again. Most of the doors were in good shape except for around the handles where it got really heavily worn due to food, grease, and oils from your hands getting on the cabinets and lack of cleaning. First thing I'm going to do is pop these knobs off, which will give us a better idea of what we're working with and allow me to clean and repair the doors properly. For the cleaner, I'm using this kitchen cabinet cleaner by Final Touch. I gotta say, after using multiple different products, it seems to be the best for safely cleaning without causing more harm to the finish. I always like to use the scrub brush it comes with because it makes cleaning much easier. The bristles are not strong enough to scratch, but it is enough to enhance the performance of the product. I like to use the edges of this brush to act as a cleaning tool to get into the hard to reach corners and detailed edges. So just wrap the paper towel around and kind of go around like this. Once we're left with a nice clean surface, the only thing left to do is the touch up. Now in the touch up and restoration world, less is better in a lot of the cases. So instead of stripping and refinishing all this, we're going to work with the finish that remains, build it up, add some color and strengthen it, basically rejuvenating it with more longevity. Now the beauty of working with lacquer finishes, both the colors that I use to touch up and this clear coat that I'm now applying on top of it, is they all like each other. They all work really well and they melt and blend in together flawlessly. A couple coats of clear on top of the finish that's there will help lock everything in, strengthen the old finish that's there, and just give more life to these cabinets. After we got the knobs on and everything had a chance to dry, this is the final result. Take a look at this beautiful matte luster. And as a reminder from where we came from, these are the cabinets before. Take a look at how gross and grimy these were. Now, if you had to pick this apart, there are two small dents underneath the knobs, but there's no way to get rid of those without sanding those completely out to do it properly and would have made these repairs unnecessarily complicated. Those are just imprints from the old hardware. Other than that, you would have absolutely no idea that these doors were worked on, touched up. They honestly look brand new. Now that these kitchens are ready for their magazine cover shot, our customer will definitely be using this cleaning product to maintain this look. It's basically the elixir of life for cabinets.